Are you thinking about visiting Merida, Mexico? This video is packed with travel tips we wish we knew before our trip. From where we stay, to what to eat, how to get there, when to visit, plus why this must be the best city in Mexico for your next adventure.
And don't miss the end. We're sharing our favorite restaurants, hidden gems, and how to plan the perfect Merida trip with us at To Getaway Travel. So let's get started.
Merida is beautiful year-round, but we've got to warn you, the heat here is no joke. Starting in April, temperatures rise fast, and in May, it's extreme, often hitting 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 degrees Celsius, or more. That heat sticks around until September, and then comes the rainy season.
So, if you want to explore comfortably, aim for the cooler months, mid-November to mid-March. In December, for example, the weather's around 86 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 64 Fahrenheit at night. Perfect for walking, sightseeing, and enjoying the local culture.
You've got a few options to get here. If you're coming from Cancun, there's the ADL bus, very comfortable and affordable. Or you can try the Mayan train. We actually have a full video on that. You'll find the link down in the description.
Flying in, the Merida International Airport has direct flights from Atlanta, Dallas-Fort Worth, Houston, Orlando, and Miami. Try to avoid layovers in Mexico City. It's busy and the flights are often delayed. Houston layovers are usually easier and much smoother.
Before you book, think about what kind of vacation you want. Merida has everything. Want to explore museums and historical mansions? You got it. Looking for cenotes and adventure? Absolutely. Prefer a laid-back foodie escape? Merida is perfect for that too.
On this trip, we decided to take it slow and really enjoy the city. We walked around, ate some amazing food, and stayed somewhere where we could unwind.
Stay near Paseo Montejo if you can. It's in the heart of the city and super walkable with tons of restaurants, museums, cafes, plus the scenery's beautiful.
You'll find gorgeous boutique hotels like Casa Lisanda and Deku hotels, great for couples or a romantic escape. We also stayed at the Courtyard by Marriott, and we loved it. Big rooms and a rooftop that's perfect for sunset drinks.
Let's talk about casonas. These are old colonial mansions from the 18th and 19th centuries. Merida has hundreds of them, many belonging to wealthy families during the Henequen boom.
Today, a lot of them have been beautifully restored and turned into museums, boutique hotels, or even restaurants. So, when you dine or stay in a casona, you're stepping into a piece of history. Let's talk about food, because in Merida, eating is an experience. So many restaurants are inside historic casonas, each one with its own unique story and charm. For breakfast, we absolutely loved Casa Tho. It's inside a restored casona with arched doorways, soft lighting, and peaceful courtyards surrounded by greenery.
We ordered an omelet, avocado toast, jamon serrano, and freshly squeezed juices. The presentation was beautiful, colorful, fresh, and light.
And the best part, after breakfast, you can explore the boutiques inside. It's full of artisan-made clothing, candles, and local crafts. Perfect for gifts or souvenirs. We absolutely love Casa Toho, I think is how you say it. We had the best breakfast. It was healthy, it was delicious, and
the cost was reasonable.
Yeah, it really was. It was like $50
$50
for a really
tip.
nice breakfast.
Yeah.
And you know what? They have shopping in there. This is like totally my vibe.
Mezzanine is another hidden gem on the Paseo Montejo. From the outside, it looks like an old mansion, but inside it's a modern, artistic, and full of surprises.
They have a paint and brunch experience where you can paint pottery while you eat your food. It's relaxed, creative, and super fun. Great for couples or even a girls' brunch.
We tried their chilaquiles with homemade salsa, pancakes, edible flowers and cappuccinos with the best coffee quality we've seen in everywhere in Merida.
For dinner, Homu was a highlight. This place is aesthetically pleasing with unique architecture, warm lighting, and beautiful decorations.
The menu mixes Japanese techniques with Yucatecan flavors. We had nigiri with Mexican fusion, taradito drizzled with passion fruit, and their signature, cuchillagas de queso de hola.
I don't know how you say that. That's a mouthful.
I tell you what, this old Texican can't do that one.
That cheese queso de bola actually came from the Dutch. Brought through the port of Progreso over a century ago. Now it's a Merida staple, and here it's wrapped in crispy batter with creamy finish. Absolutely amazing.
Don't skip the cocktails. The mezcalita with hibiscus was smooth, a little smoky, but super refreshing.
Oh, and if you're looking for nightlife, Homu has a secret speakeasy right behind the restaurant that opens on Fridays and Saturdays. Dim lighting, DJs, craft drinks. It's a true vibe.
And if you want a full gastronomic experience, Ibera Santa is your spot. It's more upscale and feels like a private dinner party inside a colonial-era home.
We ordered a tasting menu so we could try everything, from Yucatan-style short ribs to tamarind marinated duck. Each course was beautifully plated. The flavors were complex but very comforting.
And the cocktails were just as impressive. Every drink came with a local ingredient or spice. It's a great date night spot or a celebration dinner.
On our last morning, we went back to the gastronomic street. It's a whole little world of food, all walkable, full of colors and outdoor energy.
We sat at La Libertad, where the vibe is casual but stylish. Had huevos montolinos, eggs with black beans, plantains, and salsa. And Lisa had a super fresh avocado toast with pickled onions and seeds. Every bite was delicious.
For something more casual and traditional, look for cochinita pibil and lechon tacos, slow-cooked pork, often sold from street carts in small corner restaurants.
They're cheap, full of flavor, and one of the best ways to taste real Yucatecan food.
If you want a quick way to see the city, try the hop-on, hop-off bus tour. It's a fun way to explore, especially if you're on a short timeline. I tried this the last time we were in Merida. Make sure you don't stand up on top of the bus because the power lines are very low in Merida. And don't do this in the heat.
On our way back, we took the ADO Bus Platinum. Super comfortable, reclining seats, AC, charging ports, and Wi-Fi.
But don't forget to pre-book your transportation from the ADO terminal back to your hotel or the airport in Cancun.
Merida really surprised us. It's beautiful, rich in culture, super safe, full of amazing food. Whether you're coming for history, relaxation, or food, there's something here for everyone.
And if you're planning a trip to Merida or anywhere in Mexico, we're here to help you. At To Getaway Travel, we don't just book trips, we travel ourselves. So we can give you real advice and tailor the perfect trip for you.
Click the link in the description to request a free quote. Email us or leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear about your travel plans or what else you'd like to see in our videos.
And don't miss our next video, tips and tricks you should know before traveling to Mexico. We'll see you there.